UPSC toppers, they have a different unique approach towards PYQs. There are 4 levels of analysis: surface level analysis, comparative analysis, critical analysis, and current analysis. I have cracked the UPSC Prelims examination 6 out of 6 times. Do you know the biggest mistake done by UPSC aspirant while solving the PYQs? They just solve the PYQs and they move on to the next PYQs. But UPSC toppers, they have a different unique approach towards PYQs which help them crack prelims examination every year. Guys, today in this session, I'm going to explain to you a secret PYQ analysis technique which is used by most of the successful candidates in the UPSC Prelims examination, which help them identify the trend of the UPSC, identify the important themes which have high chances to come in the prelims examination, and also identify the mindset of the people who are framing the questions so that they can easily sail through the UPSC Prelims examination. Guys, my name is Santosh Pandey. I have cracked the UPSC Prelims examination 6 out of 6 times. You can see some of my scorecards here. And today, I am going to demonstrate to you how you can use this secret weapon in your prelims examination to crack prelims examination 2026 effortlessly. Let us start our session. So this is the PYQ analysis template which you have to use doing PYQ analysis for the UPSC Prelims examination. Guys, you can see there are 4 levels of analysis: surface level analysis, comparative analysis, critical analysis, and current analysis. For every PYQ you solve, you have to analyze the PYQ from these 4 dimensions. Then only you can use the PYQs in the right manner, and PYQs can help you to crack the UPSC Prelims examination easily. Today, I am going to use these 2 PYQs which have come recently in the prelims examination, and using these PYQs of 2024 prelims examination, and I'm going to use this current affairs article, and I'm going to show you how we have to do this 4 types of analysis for every PYQ. So let us start, guys. The first analysis is the surface level analysis or direct analysis, direct topic analysis. Okay, this is the first level of analysis. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this topic, okay, which is the TFR and the crude birth rate, which was there in newspaper today, and I'm going to link to these 2 PYQs which have come in the UPSC Prelims examination. Guys, you can see here UPSC in the recent years have asked question on TFR, total fertility rate, and UPSC has also asked question on which are the countries where the fertility rates are declining. You can see these 2 questions have come. So what is the topic here? The topic here is basically the fertility rate. Topic here is the fertility rate. So what is the direct analysis? Direct analysis, since they have already asked what is the definition of TFR, they have already asked what is the definition of TFR. So next thing what they can ask you, they can ask you about the facts related to TFR in India. So guys, you can see from this article, recently a report has come that TFR in India for the first time it has reduced to 1.9. okay, 1.9. So the replacement level is 2.1. For last 2-3 years it was around 2.0, but now it has reduced to 1.9. So first level of analysis is what? Already UPSC has asked what is TFR. So next time what they are going to ask, they are going to ask you about the facts related to TFR. What is the TFR of India? What is replacement level? Is India's TFR less than the replacement level? Guys, further they can ask you facts related to various variations in TFR in India. For example, guys, there are some states where TFR is still more than the fertility rate. For example, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. Whereas there are some states where TFR are below the fertility rate or replacement rate of 2.1, which is Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, okay, Andhra Pradesh. So this type of variations they can ask you. So this is the first level analysis, which is called surface level analysis. Similarly, they can talk about international level also, which are the countries where fertility rates are declining. For example, recently even in China, the population is declining because sharp fall in the fertility rate. Entire Europe is facing the problem of demographic winter, where the population is shrinking because sharp decline in fertility rate. So this is the first level of analysis, which is the surface level of analysis. of the topic you have to do it. Okay, once you do the first level of analysis, you have to move to the comparative analysis. What is comparative analysis? Comparative analysis is you have to do related topics, not the direct topics which are mentioned, but related topics. For example, they have asked you what is TFR in the prelims examination already, so next time they can ask you what is crude birth rate. You can see here in this Hindu article in today's newspaper, they have given the definition of the crude birth rate. So they may ask you next time not TFR, they may ask you what is the crude birth rate. And similarly for the crude birth rate also, you have to prepare the facts related to crude birth rate. What is the fact? What is the exact crude birth rate? What are the exact crude birth rate of northern Indian states and southern India states, how they are different? And they can also ask you about the trend of the crude birth rate, how it is declining in the recent times. This is the second level of analysis. The third level of analysis is critical analysis. Critical analysis means what are the reasons behind the fall in fertility rate? What are the main reasons? Is it because of urbanization? Is it because of growing technology? Is it because of higher cost of living? So what are the main reasons behind the TFR falling? Guys, recently you know that UPSC has introduced this statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3 question. So they may give you first statement question that India's TFR level have fallen below the replacement rate, and then they will give you 2 reasons for that, and they will say, okay, are the 2 reasons correct and are they explaining the reason 1? So you can see here critical analysis, which is the level 3rd analysis, which is where you have to go deeper. What is the reason? What is the reason behind this phenomena you have to do? And last but not the least is the current affairs analysis. Current affairs analysis, where you have to link the PYQs to the current affairs. So whenever you solve any current affairs question, okay, wherever you read current affairs, you have to link to the PYQs. And similarly, when you solve the PYQs, you have to find all the current developments of the topic. For example, this was the 2 PYQs. So what is the related current affairs? Related current affairs is the recent fall in the TFR. This has been there in news for the last 6 months. So this is called current affairs analysis. So guys, you know, in my Telegram channel, this is my Telegram channel link. Every day I am reading the newspaper and I am giving you 5 to 6 PYQs by linking the PYQs and the current affairs. You can see some of the samples here. Every day I am giving in my channel. Please do join this Telegram channel. Every day you will get 4 to 5 PYQs. Also guys, every day I am giving you top 10 questions where I am framing questions by linking the PYQs with the current affairs. This unique linkage will give this questions a unique distinct feature which can be very useful for your prelims preparation, and such questions have a high probability to come in the UPSC examination. Guys, last year like this I have predicted many questions in the prelims examination. You can go to this website, and in this website you can see here, you can go to this links, YouTube links, where I before the exam only I had given that these questions are going to come, and exactly these questions came in the exam. You can also go through this analysis where I have shown how from my test series questions have come in the prelims examination. Further guys, I have analyzed 25 years of PYQs and I have made around 100 videos. You can watch these 100 videos in my prelims mentorship batch. So start analyzing the PYQs guys. These are very, very useful for the prelims examination.